Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. Today the episode is about online shopping. I will help you learn common words and phrases. I will help you speak with confidence. The words are simple. The sentences are short. Please listen and repeat. Online shopping means buying things on the internet. Many people shop on their phone or computer. Shopping online can be fast and easy. You can buy clothes, books, food, and tools. You can buy gifts for friends and family. You can compare prices on many sites. You can read reviews from other buyers. You can pay online with a card or other methods. You can check the delivery time. You can return items if they do not fit. Today we will learn the common words and useful sentences for online shopping. First, we learn the basic words. I will say the word. Then I will give a short example. Then you can repeat. Ready to start. Repeat after me. The first word is shop. Example sentence. I shop online. Repeat after me. I shop online. The next word is website. Example sentence. I visit the website to look at shoes. Repeat after me. I visit the website to look at shoes. The next word is search. Example sentence. I search for a red dress. Repeat after me. I search for a red dress. The next word is filter. Example sentence. I filter the results by size. Repeat after me. I filter the results by size. The next word is category. Example sentence. I choose the category for jackets. Repeat after me. I choose the category for jackets. The next word is product. Example sentence. This product is a blue sweater. Repeat after me. This product is a blue sweater. The next word is price. Example sentence. The price is $50. Repeat after me. The price is $50. The next word is sale. Example sentence. The item is on sale today. Repeat after me. The item is on sale today. The next word is add to cart. Example sentence. I add the shoes to my cart. Repeat after me. I add the shoes to my cart. The next word is cart. Example sentence. My cart has 2 items. Repeat after me. My cart has 2 items. The next phrase is checkout. Example sentence. I go to checkout to pay. Repeat after me. I go to checkout to pay. The next word is payment. Example sentence. I choose a payment method. Repeat after me. I choose a payment method. The next word is card. Example sentence. I enter my card information. Repeat after me. I enter my card information. The next word is order. Example sentence. I place the order. Repeat after me. I place the order. The next word is confirmation. Example sentence. I get an order confirmation by email. Repeat after me. I get an order confirmation by email. The next word is tracking. Example sentence. I check tracking to see the package. Repeat after me. I check tracking to see the package. The next word is delivery. Example sentence. The delivery will arrive on Friday. Repeat after me. The delivery will arrive on Friday. The next word is return. Example sentence. I want to return this shirt. Repeat after me. I want to return this shirt. The next word is refund. Example sentence. I ask for a refund. Repeat after me. I ask for a refund. The next word is review. Example sentence. I read the product review before I buy. Repeat after me. I read the product review before I buy. These words are very useful. Now I will give short phrases you can use. I will show how to ask questions. I will show how to write messages to sellers. You can pause and repeat at any time. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. I will show a short monologue that you can use when you write a message to a seller or when you create an account on a shopping site. Listen and repeat when I ask you to repeat. Hello. My name is Ben. I am a buyer. I live in the United States. I like this blue jacket on your website. It looks very nice. I want to know more about the size. Is the size true to fit? Can you tell me the chest measurement in inches? I usually wear a medium. I want to make sure the jacket will fit me. Thank you for your help. I look forward to your reply. Repeat after me. Hello. My name is Ben. Repeat after me, I am a buyer. Repeat after me, I live in the United States. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Pause now if you need time. Pause and say the sentences out loud. This is good practice. Speaking out loud helps your pronunciation. Now I will show a conversation that you might see in a chat with customer service. I will play both parts. You can listen and then repeat the buyer part. Here is the chat. Hello. I have a question about my order. My order number is 12345. I ordered a pair of shoes. The shoes arrived today. Thank you for sending them. The shoes are too small. I need a larger size. Do you have the size 10 available? What is the price for the exchange? How long will the new shoes take to ship? Please tell me the steps to start the exchange. Thank you. Now repeat the buyer lines. Repeat after me. Hello. I have a question about my order. Repeat after me. My order number is 12345. Repeat after me. I ordered a pair of shoes. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you said. Pause now and practice. Try the words slowly. Try the numbers slowly. Numbers can be hard. It is fine to practice a few times. Next, I will give some polite questions for customer service. These sentences are short and simple. You can use them in chat or email. Where is my order? How do I track my package? What is the expected delivery date? Can I change my shipping address? Can I cancel my order? How do I return an item? How long does it take to get a refund? Are there any shipping fees? Do you offer free returns? Can you help me with my size? Repeat after me. Where is my order? Repeat after me. How do I track my package? Repeat after me. Can I change my shipping address? Now I will give some phrases for the checkout process. These phrases help you pay and finish the order. I will pay with a card. I will pay with PayPal. I will enter my billing address. I will add a promo code. I will choose express shipping. I will review my order before I pay. I confirm my order now. Thank you. Repeat after me. I will pay with a card. Repeat after me. I will add a promo code. Repeat after me. I confirm my order now. Next, I will give short sentences for product questions. Use these when you need more details about an item. Is the color the same as the photos? Does this shirt shrink after washing? What material is this bag made of? Is the product new or used? Do you have more photos of the item? How wide is the belt? Is the size chart available? Repeat after me. Is the color the same as the photos? Repeat after me. Does this shirt shrink after washing? Repeat after me. What material is this bag made of? We will also learn words for discounts and deals. These words are common in sales emails and banners. Discount sale coupon code promo free shipping limited time offer clearance price drop. These words tell you about a lower price. Read the terms and conditions. Check the expiry date of the coupon code. Some deals are only for new customers. Some deals are only valid on select items. Repeat after me. Discount. Repeat after me. Coupon code. Repeat after me. Free shipping. Now I will give a small lesson on sizes and measurements. Sizes can be different by brand. It is good to read the size chart. Look for waist, chest, hip, and length measurements. Use a tape measure if you can. Compare your measurements to the chart. If you are between sizes, you can choose a larger size for a loose fit. For a tight fit, choose the smaller size. Repeat after me. Size chart. Repeat after me. Chest measurement. Repeat after me. Waist measurement. Next we will practice a role play. I will be the buyer. You can speak after me. We will do a long example for practice. I will speak slowly. Repeat each sentence after I say it. Hello. I want to buy the green coat. Is the coat available in size large? I need the coat by next Monday for an event. Can you promise delivery by that date? I will pay for express shipping if needed. Is express shipping available? What is the cost? Do you offer a tracking number for express shipping? Thank you for checking. I will wait for your reply. Repeat after me slowly. Hello. I want to buy the green coat. Repeat after me. Is the coat available in size large? Repeat after me. I need the coat by next Monday for an event. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you said. Pause now and practice the whole role play. Speak the sentences out loud. Try to sound natural. It is okay to make small mistakes. Practice makes you better. Now I will share some tips to stay safe when you shop online. These tips are simple and important. Always shop on a trusted website. Look for contact information on the site. Read the product reviews. Check the seller rating. Use a secure payment method. Do not share your password. Use a strong password for your account. Check the return policy before you buy. Keep your order confirmation email. Check your bank or card statement after a purchase. Repeat after me. Trusted website. Repeat after me. Secure payment method. Repeat after me. Return policy. Next we will learn phrases for writing a review. Reviews help other buyers. A good review is short and clear. I like this product. The item looks good. The size was correct. The fabric felt soft. The delivery was fast. The seller was helpful. I recommend this product. Thank you. If you have a problem, you can write a careful review. Explain the issue. Say what you expected. Say what happened. Be polite and clear. Repeat after me. I recommend this product. Repeat after me. The delivery was fast. Repeat after me. The seller was helpful. Now I will give a longer sample message for a return request. Listen and then repeat. Hello. I received my order today. Thank you for sending it quickly. The item has a small stain on the left sleeve. I would like to return this item for a full refund. My order number is 12345. Please tell me the steps for the return. Do you provide a return label? How long will it take to get my refund? Thank you for your help. Repeat after me. Hello. I received my order today. Repeat after me. The item has a small stain on the left sleeve. Repeat after me. I would like to return this item for a full refund. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you said. Pause now and practice the return message. Try to say the order number clearly. Number should be clear and slow. Now I will give some practice with common question words. These words help you ask for details. Who, what, when, where, why, how. Use who to ask about a person. Use what to ask about the product. Use when to ask about time. Use where to ask about place. Use why to ask for a reason. Use how to ask for a method or steps. Repeat after me. Who. Repeat after me. What. Repeat after me. When. Next I will teach you how to make polite requests. Polite language is important in emails and chat messages. Please help me with my order. Could you check my shipping status? I would like to change my size. Can you confirm the color? Thank you for your help. I appreciate your time. Repeat after me. Please help me with my order. Repeat after me. Could you check my shipping status? Repeat after me. I appreciate your time. Now I will give a short summary of what we learned today. We learned basic shopping words and phrases. We practiced introductions and messages. We practiced contact with customer service. We learned about checkout and payment. We learned about tracking and delivery. We learned about returns and refunds. We learned safety tips for online shopping. We practiced many repeat after me exercises. You can pause the video now and practice the summary out loud. Try to say 3 sentences from memory. Try to use new words in your own sentences. Practice helps you remember. Thank you for learning with me today. I am Ben from the United States. I hope you feel more confident with online shopping words and phrases. Keep practicing a little every day. Speak out loud and repeat often. Listen to real messages and try to mimic them. Use these phrases when you write emails or chat. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.